Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is my screen visible? Yeah. Yeah. So we'll continue from there itself. Okay. Yeah. So this was the algorithm. This was the algorithm. Yeah. So the division can be done in two different ways. One is something called as a restoring division, and another is something called as a non-restoring division. So the first algorithm that we have seen, that I'll just change the color. So the number of steps which is required is equal to the number of bits that we have in case of डिविडेंड. सो डिविडेंड के बाद जितने नंबर ऑफ बिट्स होंगे उतने ही स्टेप्स आपको करना है. ओके. और हर स्टेप में आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, यू नीड टू परफॉर्म द लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. आपको लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करना है और उस लेफ्ट शिफ्ट के बाद आपको से डिवाइजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. यू नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट the divisor from the accumulator register. Okay. If is non-negative, then the result is, or you can say if the result is positive, better say it as a positive, don't get confused. If the result is positive, then this step is successful. Okay. In that case, the quotient bit will be made as 1, and then restoration is not at all required. It is not required. If the result is negative, the step is unsuccessful and the quotient bit is made as 0, and in that case restoration is required. Is that clear? Repeat this step again and again. कब तक करना है? जितने number of bits है dividend में. Okay. The result will be stored in two places. The remainder will be stored in the accumulator, and the quotient will be stored in the Q register. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll take an example. Okay, so the example that we are taking is divide 6 by 4 using restoration division method. Okay, I'll repeat the question again. Divide 6 by 4 using restoration division method. Is this clear? Is that clear? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear? Okay. So in this case, first of all, identify what is dividend, what is divisor. So dividend is
6.
6. Okay, and it is referred as Q. Please write it down somewhere. It will be stored in a register called as Q. Okay, the divisor will be stored in a register called as M. Okay, and in this case the divisor will be 4. Okay, after this from the same step 6 को और -6 को बाइनरी में रिप्रेजेंट करा, तो 6 can be written down as 0 1 1 0, right? -6 can be written down as 0, you copy till you get 1. After that, just flip the bit. So 0, 1. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For 4, just write down the representation of 4 and -4. 4 can be written down as 0, 1, 0, 0. -4 can be written down as 0, 0. You copy till you get the first one. After that, you just need to flip the bit. Okay? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the initial part that we need to do. Okay, after this you're good to start with this step, or you can start with the restoration algorithm. Okay, so I'll be making the same thing again. So first column is called as step. Again you need to solve in this tabular format. Okay, I'll just write down step. After step we just write down accumulator. Okay, after accumulator we have something called as dividend. Okay, we have dividend, and lastly we have something called as divisor. We don't have anything called as imaginary. Okay, that's it. So accumulator में initially we have initialized as 0. What is the dividend? What we stored in dividend? It is nothing but Q. Q में क्या store कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 6. What is divisor? Divisor is nothing but it is M. And M में हम क्या store कर रहे हैं? What we are storing?
4.
4. Is this clear? So this is the initial step. So initialize all the register in binary. So accumulator में क्या आ जाएगा? We have how many zeros? 4 zeros.
4 0.
4 0.
Dividend में क्या आएगा? What will have in dividend? 0,
0
1
1
0. And divisor will be having 0 1 0 0. Is this clear? Is the initial step clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Step number 1. What is step number 1? What is the first thing that you need to do? Tell me. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? What you'll do first?
Left shift.
Left shift.
From the left shift. Okay. कहाँ से start करोगे left shift? From the dividend. तो dividend से आपको left shift करना. Okay. So everything on the left side. एक place से आपको shift करना. So this 0 will come over here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Just erase it. Yeah. So this 0 will come over here. This 1 will come over here. This 1 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. 0 0. Right? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One place is where in this place we'll be putting what? Our quotient. Our quotient will be placed in this particular place. Okay. So एक place के बाद एक जगह यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, फिर अगले जगह पे एक और खाली हो जाएगा, फिर एक आ जाएगा. तो 4 साइकिल के बाद what will be getting in dividend? Dividend में क्या मिल जाएगा? At the end you'll get your quotient, and whatever is left it will be there in accumulator. So your remainder will be there in accumulator and the quotient will be there in the Q register. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So पहला हमने लेफ्ट शिफ्ट कर दिया. लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करने के बाद हमें ये मिला. ये खाली जगह इसको कैसे भरना हम लोग आगे देखते हैं. After performing left shift, what we need to do? What is the first thing that we need to do? सबसे left shift के बाद in every step what we do? Just go back to the algorithm. At each step, subtract the divisor from the accumulator. हमें क्या करना है step में? A minus M करना, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we do? We perform A minus M, okay? Which is equal to what? Which is equal to what? It is equal to A plus of minus M.
Yes, sir.
So can we add minus M to it? What is minus M to it? What is minus M? It is 1100, right?
Yes, sir.
So add 1100 to this number. I add 1100 to this number. So what is this? We get 0, we get 0, we get 1, we get 1. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Check whether the number is negative or positive.
Negative.
It is negative. How you can say it is negative? Because
MSB 1.
MSB is 1. Okay. So since number is negative, is it successful or unsuccessful?
Unsuccessful.
Step is unsuccessful. If the step is unsuccessful, the quotient bit will become what?
0.
Therefore, Q bit will be 0, and restoration will be performed or not performed.
Perform.
Restoration is required. Okay, so ये सारे आपको करना है. Okay, I'll just do what? This bit, which is the quotient bit. आपने क्या बोला है क्या हो जाएगा? Because it is unsuccessful, क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? It will become 0. I'll just write down quotient bit in yellow color. बाकी bit क्या हो जाएगा? बाकी as it is है. So it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 1. Right? यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In order to perform restoration, what we need to do? इसके अंदर हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Add.
क्या करना ऐड करना पड़ेगा? We need to add what?
डिवाइडर को ऐड करना.
डिवाइजर को ऐड करना है, यानी 4 को ऐड करना. 4 को ऐड करने के बाद मतलब बेसिकली you will add 0 1 0 0 to it. What you'll get? You'll get this. You'll get this one only, right? जो आपने subtract किया था, you'll get the same thing again. Right?
Yes, sir.
You'll get the exactly same thing. So computer will do the restoration, but we human, we already know. हम book पे कर रहे हैं. हमारे पास ये 0 0 already है. कंप्यूटर के पास उस रजिस्टर में चेंज हो जाएगा. Because computer has exactly one register to perform this thing. So उसको रिस्टोर करने की जरूरत है. आपको रिस्टोर करने की जरूरत नहीं. आपको पता है कि प्रीवियसली उसकी वैल्यू क्या थी. अगर 1 सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो आपको प्रीवियस स्टेट वापस लोड करना है. तो जस्ट same thing again and again. Is that clear? You don't have to perform the restoration step on your own. आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Computer will do it. You need to just copy the previous state, which was before you subtracted the divisor from that. Is that clear?
Yes.
अगर आप चाहो आप कर सकते हो. आप इसके अंदर 4 ऐड कर दो, you'll get the same thing again. But it is advisable that you do this. You just copy the same thing again. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody got this step? क्यों हमने ये step को वापस लिख दिया 0 0 0 0? क्योंकि अगर आप basically I'll just erase it. I'll add 4 to it. What will get 0 1 0 0? What will get as answer 0 0? This is nothing but 0. Carry 1. It will become 0. You'll get exactly the same thing. Right ना?
Yes, sir.
मतलब 5 में से 4 माइनस करोगे तो you'll get 1. वापस ऐड करोगे you'll get 5. So why you are doing that again and again? You are not a computer. You are a human. Okay. Computer needs to do that. You don't require that because you already have that data in your sheet. वो data आपके sheet के अंदर ही वो data present है. Okay. So आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ वो चीज को copy करना है. What you need to copy back? The previous state before that unsuccessful division जो आपने किया था उससे पहले वाला स्टेट आपको restore करना है. You'll get the same value again. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but step number 1. Everybody, is it clear to you? Can we go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the next step on your own? कर पाओगे? बताओ क्या करना. Step number 2. You tell me. I'll be writing it down over here. What is the first thing that you do?
Left shift.
Left shift. Get the values. So this 0 I'll just write down in yellow. This 0 will come over here. There is a vacant place which is left. Okay. The remaining are white. So क्या आ जाएगा? ये 0 इधर आ जाएगा. ये 1 इधर आ जाएगा. ये वाला 1 इधर आ जाएगा. This 0 0 0. Is that clear? बराबर किया है मैंने?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After left shift, what is the next thing that you do?
Subtract करेंगे M से.
Subtract करो A को M से. So basically what you do? You add M का 2's complement. What is 2's complement of 4? It is 1100. So add 1100 to this number. What you'll get? 1 0 1 1. Okay, looking at the number is what?
Negative.
Negative.
Number is negative. Is it successful or unsuccessful?
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. If it is unsuccessful, quotient bit will become what?
0.
0.
0. Restoration is required or not required?
Required.
Restoration is required. Okay. So yeah. So I'll just write down. So this is 0. This vacant place is also you fill it with 0. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
After
sir.
this, you'll just write down 1 0 over here. You just need to restore this value again. So get this value again. What will get? We'll get 0 0 0 1. Is this clear? Step number 2 clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perform step number 3. So again perform left shift. So क्या होगा? I'll just take another color. So this 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. The color change करते हैं. Yeah. There is a vacant place that I have. Okay. And then this 0 will come over here, and this 1 will come over here, right? This 1 will come over here. This 0, this 0. So after performing left shift, I get this as the answer. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं किया ना मैंने? बराबर है? After this, you need to perform. What you need to perform? Subtract
A minus M.
M from this. Okay, subtract the divisor from this. Okay, so you'll add its 2's complement. So what is 2's complement? 1 1 0 0.
0.
So add this to it. So you'll get 1. You'll get 1. You'll get 1. You'll get 1. Right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Again, the number is what?
Negative.
Number is negative. Since the number is negative, the quotient bit will be
0.
0.
0. And restoration is required. Restoration is required. I don't have a place, so please understand it. Okay. So restoration is required. Tell me the final number that you'll be getting. So what you'll get? You'll get in this place you'll be putting 0. You already have 0 over here. You already have 0 over here. Okay. Then you have 0. You require a restoration. So this will be copied as it is over here. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you need to stop over here कि और भी करना है?
और भी 4 bit है ना?
4 bit है तो और एक बार करना है. Okay. So we have something called a step. Okay. यहाँ पे आपका accumulator आएगा, यहाँ पे आपका divisor आएगा, यहाँ पे dividend आएगा. Okay. So what we have in accumulator, can someone tell me the value? 0011. What we have in quotient?
40.
4 zeros. Okay. So 0 and 3 in color, right? So we have
Yes.
0, 0, 0. Okay. Step number 4. Let's change the color. Step number 4. What is the first thing that you need to do on step number 4?
Left shift.
Left shift. Perform the left shift. And change the color. So this 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. There is a vacant place that is remaining. Okay. This 0, this white 0 will come over here. Then we have 1, 1, 0 left after performing the left shift. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
After left shift, we do what? Subtract.
A minus n.
A minus n. We perform the subtraction. So you add what to this? 1100, right? 1100 ही था. What is minus n? Yeah, 1100. So add this. So you'll get 0. You'll get 1. You'll get 0. Carry 1. What you'll get?
0.
0. Now tell me, the number is negative or positive?
Positive.
Number is positive. Since the number is positive, the quotient bit will be
1.
1. Restoration required or not required?
Not
Not
required.
required.
Not required.
Not required. So you'll keep the number as it is, okay? And you'll make that quotient bit as 0. So 0, 0, 0, and this vacant place will make it as 0. Sorry, 1. My bad. बराबर ना 1 क्यों लिखा है समझ में आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll write down the 1 over here. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just tell me. So this is nothing but what in binary, in decimal, this is equal to 2.
Two.
This is equal to 1. So you have a remainder called as 2. You have remainder value as 2, and you have quotient as 1. What was the question? 6 divided by what we were doing? 4 divided by 6, right? Right? If we divide 4 by 6, what will get as answer? It gets divided by 1.
Or 2.
How many remainder you are getting? 2. What is quotient you are getting? 1. Are we getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we perform the division of quotient. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Was it difficult? Easy?
Easy.
Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perform the division of 7 by 3. Sorry, divide 7 by 3. Do this. What you will get as answer? Quotient क्या आएगा? 2. Remainder क्या आएगा? Remainder will get as 1.
आएगा.
Yeah. So you know the answer. You know very well the answer. If you get this answer, that means you will guarantee get a 10 marks. Okay. So try to get that particular answer. Okay. So the next question is divide 7 by 3. Is this clear? For those who have not noted it down, they can take a screenshot of this, or you can just write it down somewhere. And on the basis of this, you just solve that.
The next slide.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve for this. I'll just take a break of 2 minutes. I haven't have a water. I'll just take a water and I'll come in 2 minutes. Okay. I'll just pause my recording. Yeah, am I audible? Is it done? Has anybody got the answer for doing?
Doing, sir.
Okay,
Arra,
I'll do. Okay, okay, I'll do along with you. Okay, so we have 7 called as divisor or dividend. What is it called? 7. 7 is 7 is
Dividend.
dividend. So it will be stored where, in Q or M? It will be stored in
Q.
Q. So we have something dividend as 7. It will be stored in Q. Okay. We have 3 as divisor, and it will be stored in M. Okay.
M.
Then we can write down 7 as 0 triple 1. We can write down minus 7 as 1 double 0 1. We can write down 3 as 0 double 1, sorry, double 0 double 1, and minus 3 can be written down as 1 0 double 1. Okay, so after this we need to draw 4 columns. One is called as step, then we have something called as accumulator, then we have something called as divisor, sorry, dividend or Q, then we have something called as divisor, known as N. Okay, so the initial step, so accumulator is made as 4 zeros, the dividend is made as 0 triple 1, divisor is made as 0 0 1 1. Okay, after that we'll start with the first phase. Sorry, step number 1. Step number 1 is we start with the left shift. So get the left shift. So we get 1 1 1 with a single vacant place. We get 0 0 0 0. Okay, then since yeah, we need to perform a minus n, so add minus n to this. So minus n number, it is minus 3, so it is double 1 0 1 to this number. You'll get the same number, which is double 1 0 number 0 1. Since the number is negative, it is unsuccessful, thus q will be equal to 0 and the re-escalation is required. So get back the original number, which is 0 0 0 0, and make this bit as 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 0. Okay, after that, step number 2, perform the left shift again. You'll get 0 sorry, you'll get this 0 1 1, this one will come over here. After that you will get 0 0 0. Okay, after performing the left shift, you again subtract accumulator, let me say subtract the divisor. Okay, you'll get add double 1 0 1 to it. Okay, what you'll get as answer, you'll get 0, carry 1, 1 will come down, you'll get 1 1 again. The number is negative, it is unsuccessful. Since it is unsuccessful, q will be 0 and restoration is required. Okay, so you'll get the original number back, so which was 000 1. This number will get back. Okay, 000 1, and you'll make that bit as 0. You'll get double zeros. Okay, after that, step number 2 is done. Perform step number 3. Step number 3, again perform the left shift to get the number. So we'll get this 2 zeros over here and with a vacant place. After that, this 1 will come over here, this 1 will come over here, you'll get 1 and you'll get 0 0. Okay, then a minus m will add minus m to this number, which is 1101. What you get is 0 carry 1 0 carry 1 0 carry 1 0 carry 1. So since the number is positive, that is successful, the q bit will be equal to 1 and the installation is not equal. Third step is आपको ये step मिला क्या? Anybody got this in the first
हाँ,
step?
sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I'll be making this as 0 0 1 and this bit will be made as 1 and no restoration is required, so you'll get the same bit, which is 4 times zeros. Okay, this is step number 3. Step number 4, I'll perform the left shift again. So this 3 bits that you have 0 0 1 and 1 vacant place will be left behind. We have again perform a plus a minus m, so we are going to add 1101 to this number. Okay, 1101. So on adding 1101 to this number, you'll get something which is 1101. So since the number is negative, it is unsuccessful. Unsuccessful is the restoration is required. So we'll get the original number, which is 0 0 0. एक सेकंड, मैंने लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया गया.
सर आपने पहले माइनस कर दिया.
कुछ गलत कर दिया ना.
हाँ सर.
मेरे पास जगह नहीं है और जगह बचाने के चक्कर में मैंने कुछ तो शॉर्ट कर दिया. जस्ट इरेज इट. आई थिंक मैंने यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया. मैंने लेफ्ट शिफ्ट नहीं किया ना यहाँ पे.
लेफ्ट शिफ्ट नहीं किया सर.
हाँ. Okay, so first step is left shift. So ये 0001 यहाँ पे आ गया. This 1 will come over here. Then we have 0 0 0. Right. After this, I'll be adding 1101 to this number, which is equal to 1. Carry sorry, this is equal to 0. Carry 1. 1 will come down. 1 1. So this number is negative. Thus this bit will become 0. I'll make this bit as 0. I'll make this bit as 0. And I'll restore the previous number. So my previous number को इसको restore कर देता हूँ. I'll just restore the number, so which was 0 0 0 1. So by getting this number 0 0 0 1, that means the remainder is what? The remainder is what?
1.
1. And the quotient is what? 2. So this is nothing but I've got quotient, which is 2, and this is nothing but I've got a remainder, which is 1. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So this will be asked in your paper. Okay, so you need to solve for this. Yeah, that's it. We'll be going to the non-resolution. Okay, remember this. The same algorithm is used for performing the sine number. So अगर आप -7 divided by 3 करने के लिए भी अगर आपको बोला, you'll be using the same thing. Okay, yeah, but doing this for sine numbers, इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें change होगी. Okay, okay. For example, जो number of vacant place है, वो vacant place पे you'll be getting something else and else. मतलब vice versa हो जाएगा. Successful unsuccessful हो जाएगा. Unsuccessful will become successful. It will become complicated. Okay, it will become complicated, this particular algorithm. But it is you'll be using for getting that restoration. Okay, for performing the division. Negative number का division भी आप इसी method से करोगे. लेकिन as per syllabus, only positive number will be given to you. Is that clear? You don't have to worry about -7 by 3. अगर ये आ भी गया एग्जाम में, you keep this minus aside and you solve for 7 by 3. Whatever you get the answer, you make the quotient as -2 and get the remainder as 1. Is that clear?
सर
Yes.
सर वो लास्ट में 1110 है ना, तो 0001 कैसे, वो लास्ट का समझा नहीं.
Okay, लास्ट में 1110. या लास्ट में 1110 है ना आपका. तो 1110 का मतलब क्या हो गया? नंबर क्या है? नेगेटिव. Since the number is negative, that means quotient bit क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? 0 हो जाएगा. ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल क्योंकि नंबर मेरा नेगेटिव है, तो मुझे ओरिजिनल वाला नंबर वापस लेना पड़ेगा, which is this number. I need to restore that number. Is that clear? जैसे मैंने बाकी स्टेप में किया है, इस स्टेप में भी मैंने क्यों लिया यहाँ पे, बिकॉज इट वाज नेगेटिव नंबर, ये नंबर नेगेटिव है, इसलिए मैंने क्या किया, प्रीवियस स्टेट को रिस्टोर कर दिया। इस केस में नंबर वाज पॉजिटिव, इट वाज कमिंग एज 0, 0 इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर, ओके। सो फॉर दैट आई डोंट रिक्वायर टू रिस्टोर, सो मैं ये नंबर को वापस रिस्टोर मैंने नहीं किया, आई डिड नॉट टेक दैट, आई जस्ट टुक दिस पर्टिकुलर नंबर एंड मैं उसको लेकर के आगे ऑपरेशन करता चला गया। इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, what I was trying to say कि अगर आपको negative number मिला, okay, for example, say -7 and you are supposed to divide this number by 3. पहली बार एग्जाम में ऐसा न्यूमेरिकल नहीं आएगा, all the numerical will be positive because negative में the same thing is done, the same routine is followed, but whatever you did which was unsuccessful for the positive number, in that case it will become successful for the negative number. And for the unsuccessful you have written 0 over there, for successful you have to write down 0 over that. So everything has to be completely changed in the case of negative number, it will become completely vice versa, so it will cause a huge confusion. So it is advised that you teach student with the positive number only, okay? Is that clear? Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So in exam, in any exam, every time the number that is given is always positive, they don't give any negative number, because if you are able to solve the positive number, it is supposed to that you are able to learn it, you'll find, you'll understand the working of the negative number. But while doing negative number, there is a huge chance that you will do mistake, okay? So that is why such type of question will not be there in the paper. If you want, if just in case गलती से अगर किसी ने डाल दिया, you just leave the sign aside, solve for this as a positive number, get it done, then after that make the quotient as negative and make the remainder as something positive, okay? So जो quotient है वो आपका negative बन जाएगा, so 7 divided by 3 is nothing but it is -2 and you'll get a remainder which is 1. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
So that is the restoration method. Now we'll be doing something which is called as a non-restoration. So just write down the next algorithm. It is called as a non-restoration division, non-restoration algorithm for division. Okay, and this is for unsigned number. It will always be there for positive number. तो अगर नॉन रिस्टोरेशन आ गया तो वो पॉजिटिव डेफिनेटली आने वाला है, रिस्टोरेशन में भी आपको पॉजिटिव नंबर दिया जाएगा, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट साइन बेसिकली, बट रिमेंबर जस्ट इन केस इन फ्यूचर विल बी लर्निंग सम इंस्ट्रक्शन, जब हम माइक्रो प्रोसेसर लैब में जब जाएंगे, एक्चुअली हमने अभी तक असेंबली लैंग्वेज प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं सीखी है, देयर इज एन इंस्ट्रक्शन कॉल्ड एज div and there is an instruction called as idiv, okay? There is an instruction called as mul, there is an instruction called as imul, okay? What is the difference? Div is a normal division, idiv is an integer division. Integer division में you take sign numbers, mul is a normal multiplication, imul is multiplication of integer numbers. Is that clear? So in case of div, which algorithm will be used? Restoration or non-restoration? In case of div, when you're just dealing with normal numbers, it is non-restoration. Non-restoration. Why? Because it is a faster method. If you're using idiv, in that case you'll be using restoration method. Is that clear? Because restoration method deals with both positive and negative number. So idiv deals with positive and negative number. So in this case you'll be using restoration method. In this case you'll be using non-restoration method. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
In case of multiplication, which algorithm you'll be using? You'll be using traditional algorithm. In case of imul, you'll be using which algorithm? Booth's algorithm. Is that clear?
Yes.
So ये जब इंस्ट्रक्शन हम पढ़ेंगे, which is there in microprocessor lab, which is there in 8086 करके अंदर, okay, it is there in 8086. You will be writing down the algorithm for performing a multiplication and division. Okay, so you'll be using such type of instruction. During that time, you'll understand कि अच्छा ये restoration इसलिए पढ़ा था, या non restoration इसलिए पढ़ा था, या booths हमने इसलिए पढ़ा था क्योंकि ये उस instruction के अंदर use होता है. Okay, is that clear? So now we'll be learning something which is called as a non-restoration algorithm for division. It is very fast approach compared to restoration because in this algorithm we do not perform restoration. हम restoration करते ही नहीं है. Okay, so restoration करने की वजह से नहीं करने की वजह से कुछ फायदा होगा क्या? If you perform restoration, what will happen basically? अगर जैसे for example, if I want to divide 64 को मैं अगर 8 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ, so मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? 8 से पहले subtract 6 में से 8 subtract कर रहा हूँ. I'm getting -2. This is unsuccessful, right?
Yes.
So what I need to do? I need to restore this number again. So मैं क्या करूँगा? प्लस इसके अंदर 8 कर दूंगा. So this step is taking a lot of time, right? ये restore करने के लिए मुझे time लग रहा है because I need to perform another step for this to get back the original number. As a human, stop it down. But as a computer, you need to get that value again. In order to get that value again, you need to add this 8 again, right? तो पहले subtract किया, बाद में add किया. So it is like extra wasting of that time. You'll get 6, but that is again a wastage of time, right?
Yes.
Right. So non restoration में हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोग ये restore नहीं करते. अगर unsuccessful हुआ तो अगले step instead of performing a minus m, अगले step में हम क्या करेंगे? a plus m कर देंगे. You guys know? याद है हर step में हम a minus m करते हैं?
Yes.
हर एक step में हम a minus m करते हैं. लेकिन अगर unsuccessful हुआ उसके बाद वाले step में instead of doing a minus m, we'll be doing a plus m. So by this method we are able to remove that one step which is causing a problem. क्योंकि बार बार subtract कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके अंदर add कर रहे हैं, फिर वापस subtract कर रहे हैं. Instead of doing that, अगर successful हुआ अगली बार instead of subtracting you just add that. So आपका एक step बच जाएगा. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that step is done in that case. So what is the rule? The rule is, I'll just write it down in short. We'll take the algorithm थोड़ी देर के बाद. Just in short, if it is unsuccessful, then no restoration is required. Restoration करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. But in next step क्या करना पड़ेगा? In next step what you need to do? Instead of a minus m, you need to do a plus m. In the next step, you need to do a plus m. Okay. Step 2, if it is successful, then again no restoration is required. Then no restoration is also required for that. In that case, the next step क्या हो जाएगा? You need to perform the traditional approach, which was a minus m. तो आपको traditional step ही करना पड़ेगा, which is a minus m. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Only in the special case, एक special case है. Only if लास्ट वाले स्टेप में अगर आपका अनसक्सेसफुल आया, ओनली इन द लास्ट स्टेप इफ द रिजल्ट इज अनसक्सेसफुल, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो अगला स्टेप नहीं है ना, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इन दैट केस रिस्टोरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. इज दैट क्लियर? जो लास्ट वाला स्टेप है आपका, ओके, अगर वो वाले लास्ट स्टेप आपका सक्सेसफुल आ गया, तो आगे स्टेप में आपको a plus m करना है, लेकिन आगे स्टेप तो है ही नहीं. सो उस केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू नीड टू गेट द रिस्टोर, यू नीड टू गेट द प्रीवियस स्टेप. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सो दैट इज द स्पेशल केस दैट वी हैव. ओके, सिर्फ और सिर्फ लास्ट स्टेट में आपको रिस्टोरेशन लगेगा, बाकी कोई भी स्टेप में आपको रिस्टोरेशन नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाई दिस एल्गोरिथम समथिंग कॉल्ड एज नॉन रिस्टोरेशन. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Since no restoration is required, majority of the time we don't require that restoration. This algorithm is faster compared to the restoration. Is that clear? Why it is faster?
Yes, sir.
So can we write down the algorithm for this?
Okay.
So just write down the algorithm.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ले सकते हो क्या? एग्जाम है ना.
एग्जाम कितने बजे? 2:30 बजे.
हाँ सर.
ओके, मेरे को एक्चुअली खत्म करना है. क्या करूं?
फिर करो, खत्म करो.
एक काम करता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक न्यूमेरिकल ले लेता हूँ फट से, और वो न्यूमेरिकल खत्म करते हैं और फिर अगले क्लास में एल्गोरिथम करते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
हाँ सर।
We'll just take a numerical first. So we need to divide 7 by 5. Okay, this is the numerical that we got. So yeah, just tell me what is dividend and what is divisor. So Q will be 7 and divisor will be 5. Right? Right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is
Yes.
7? 7 in binary. Just tell me 7 in binary. 0 triple 1. What is minus 7 in binary? I'll be doing very fast. Okay, so please be be with me.
10001.
So it is 1, this is 1, this is 00, then we have 1, yeah. Then we have 5, 5 can be written down as 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 5 can be written down as, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, right? Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll just, I need to make a table. So सबसे पहला step, अगला column accumulator, उसका बाद वाला column is Q, which is your dividend. Okay, and last में क्या है?
Divisor.
Divisor. We have the divisor, which is nothing but your M. Okay, so get the initial values, get the initial step. It is exactly same. It will be much faster. Okay, so ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. It will be much faster because you're not doing any regeneration. So accumulator में you'll get what? 0, 0, 0, 0. You will initialize the accumulator with 0. The dividend is initialized with Q. Q is nothing but it is 7. So 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. Clear है यहाँ तक? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Divisor is nothing but it is 5. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Step number 1. In each step you perform left shift, same as the previous case. Left shift आपको करना है. So get this. So ये क्या आ जाएगा? ये 1 इधर आ जाएगा. You'll get 1. You'll get 1 over here. There is a vacant place which is left. This 0 will come over here. This 0, 0, 0. Left shift के बाद क्या करना है आपको? What is the first thing that you do? Subtract M from this. So you add 2's complement of M. What is 2's complement of? It is 1011. So add 1011 to this. Are you guys getting this?
Yes, sir.
You'll get what? 1011. Okay. Number is what? Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So it is successful or unsuccessful?
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. Restoration is required or not required?
Not required.
Restoration is not required. Okay. But in the next step, what you are going to do? Instead of A minus M, what you will be doing? A plus M. So next step, perform A plus M. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And the quotient bit will be made as what? Quotient bit क्या हो जाएगी आपकी? ये vacant place पे क्या आएगा? Since it is unsuccessful, what will be there?
0.
You'll get 0. So this is your step number 1. Solve for step number 2. Do it fast. Step number 2. Left shift. Get this left shift. So you'll get 0, 1, 1. This one will come over here. This one. Sorry. You need to. Yeah. Get this thing, everything. So this one, then 0. Yeah. That's it. After doing this, what you need to do?
A minus M.
Perform A minus M. Sorry. Perform A minus M. Perform what? A plus M, right? You said in the next step, what you need to do instead of performing A minus M, what you need to do?
A plus M.
A plus M. So perform A plus M. So add M to this. What is M? It is 0, 1, 0, 1. So add this to this number. What you'll get? This is 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1. This is 1 carry 1, and you will get 1, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So this number is again what? It is negative. Since it is negative, that means the number is unsuccessful. Since it is unsuccessful, the Q 0. Restoration is not required, but in the next step, A plus M will be performed. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what will come over here? So we'll get 1, 1, 0, and this vacant place will get 0 also. Is that clear? Step number 3. Step number 3, perform the left shift. So what we'll do?
Yes, sir.
This 0 will come over here, this 0 will come over here, this 1 will come over, this 1 will go over here. Then we have 0, 0, 1, and 1 will be left out. After this, instead of performing a minus m, we'll be performing a plus m because the previous case was unsuccessful. So again, add 5 to this. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Add this number. You'll get what? 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 1. So again, this vacant bit will be made as 0 because it is unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful.
So since it is negative, the number is it is unsuccessful. Since it is unsuccessful, the Q will be made as 0. The restoration is not required. Okay. But in the next step, again, what you need to do, perform
A plus M.
a plus. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we'll go to back to again accumulator की value क्या है? Can someone tell me? Accumulator is 1110. 1110. Then we have 1000. We have 100. Okay. Step number 4. What is the first thing that you do? You perform the left shift.
Left shift.
So you'll get 0, you'll get 0, you'll get 0. This 1 will come over here. This 0, 1, 1 will be here. Okay. After every left step, you need to perform a minus m करना था, लेकिन previous case was unsuccessful. Then you will be doing a plus m.
A plus M.
So again, add 5 to this number. Okay. So add 5 to this number. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Add this number. You'll get what? You'll get 0, carry 1, 1, 0, carry 1. You'll get 0. The number is what?
Positive.
So since the number is positive, it is successful. Since it is successful, no restoration is required. Okay. No restoration is required. And the quotient bit will be made as 1. So क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 0, 0, 0. This vacant place will get 1, and this is your final answer. You need to stop over here because this is the first step, right? Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but your remainder. This is nothing but your quotient. So what is your remainder? Remainder you're getting 2, and the quotient that you're getting is 1. What was the question? 7 divided by 5, right? 8, na? So if you divide 7 by 5, you'll get a quotient as 1 and the remainder is 2. Are we getting the same thing?
Yes.
Is this clear? Now you can leave. The diploma student, you can leave. The regular student, if you have any doubt, you can stay behind.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Bye.
Thank
Take
you,
care. Do well in your exam. Any doubt? Just take a snapshot of this. I'll be discussing the algorithm in the next class. Okay? I hope it is clear. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you don't, you can